Welcome to our Group S CPC357 project demo video titled of Pet Fish Feeding and Monitoring System. I am Tenshenter and will be the presenter for this video. Our projected IoT system is intended to be used by the fish lover who cannot or don't want to put so much effort in taking care of the fish. And the aim of our project is to automate the feeding process for the convenience of the pet owners, to allow pet fish owner to monitor the health status of their fish daily, and to prevent the pet fish from starving due to the owner's carelessness and forgetfulness. Our projected IoT system consists of two modules, which are feeding module and the monitoring module. In the feeding module, it has a functionality of auto-releasing the food from the food container when the sensor detects the fish. Auto-alert owner when food is almost exhausted so that the owner can replace the food immediately. And it also has a gate to prevent the fish swim into the infrared sensor that can detect the fish and release the food during the non-feeding time. And the pet owner also has the ability to open and close the gate during the feeding time and once the feeding time has ended respectively. Whereas in the monitoring module, it has a functionality of report to the owner about the pet fish health status on a daily basis. For the devices we use to set up this IoT system, we use 3 units of infrared sensors, 2 units of 90-degree servo motor, and 1 unit of water temperature sensor with the model number of DS18B20. For the exterior material we use to set up the whole IoT system are cardboard, cellophane tape, and UFO glue. This is our code implementation of our project, and this code will send email notification to the owner based on the activity such as food shortage, not optimal water temperature, and pet fish health status. This is our good project demo with the remarks of imagining the Tupperware as a proper fish tank, the wall hanging bottle as a food container which contains a bunch of papers and cardboard as the fish food. The eraser you will see soon is mimicked as a fish, and the middle plastic piece mimicked as a gate. And at first the owner opened the gate during the feeding hour, and the fish is swimming around, and then it will swim to the left side area of the fish tank. And the infrared sensor located on the left side will detect the fish, and the food container will release the food. Whereas for the monitoring module, the bottom right hand side of the infrared sensor will detect the fish activities and collect the daily total heat count activity of the fish. And if the collected heat count is in the healthy range and the water temperature is optimal, it indicates that the fish is healthy, else the fish is unhealthy. This shows our project output between when the food container is empty versus when the food container is not empty. As you can see on the left hand side, when the food container is empty, there is only one green light lit up, whereas compared to the right hand side, when the food container is full of food, it has 2 green lights lit out on the upper right of the infrared sensor. This is our project V1 dashboard output demonstration.